In this demonstration, we're going to look at road traffic collisions from the Northumbria Police Authority area. In due course, we'll be adding national road traffic collisions to the website. Clicking on RTCs in the options page, then click RTCs to plot the accidents in the Gosforth area. Clicking on a point, we can get details of the accidents in the last 19 years within 20 meters of the click point. Clicking details, then provides an Excel giving the full details of the accidents, in this case 3 of them. If necessary, these can be retrieved and stored locally by clicking on File, Save As, and you've got 3 options: save as an Excel, CSV or PDF. A useful facility here is to use the polygon to look at a larger area. Let's draw a polygon. Clicking on it gives details that there are 217. If we want, we can retrieve in the same way as for the point details, but in addition we can produce a graphical output showing the trends and types of accident. This takes a little while, as it's about 10 seconds or so to do 1 year of accidents. And here we are. The graph shows the change. Fortunately, we're getting a good indication of a decline here. The pie chart below shows the type of accidents that have occurred. And in the left hand, in the Excel, it gives some summary details about the types of accident per year. In a similar way, the Excel can be stored locally as a PDF or Excel.